Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to learn and grow daily. So what are the periods of growth? So first will be there is a zygote. So we are talking about the prenatal first. So under the prenatal there is a zygote, there is also presence of the embryo. Next is the fetus as well as a perinatal period. So now let's break this down. In case of the zygote, it is going to be 0 to 14 days. So 0 to 14 days is where the zygote is. Next, moving on to the embryo. Embryo is about 3 weeks to 8 weeks. So 3 looks like a double, 8 looks like a double 3. So 3 weeks to 8 weeks. Next is the fetus. The fetus is 9 weeks to birth. So up to birth till previously the 9 weeks, it is the fetus. So zygote is 0 to 14 weeks of gestation, that is about 2 weeks. Then from 3 to 8 weeks is going to be the embryo. And the easy way to remember is E looks like a 3. So from 3 weeks to 8 weeks. Next we move on to the perinatal period. Perinatal period will be, there is 2 P's. So that's 22 weeks to 7 days of birth. Now moving on to the postnatal period. So what is meant by the postnatal period? So in the postnatal period, first we have the newborn. Next there is infancy. There is toddler. There is preschool as well as the school age. Now let's break this down. In case of the newborn, it is the first 4 weeks after birth. So it is first 4 weeks, that is 1 month after birth. So this period is where it is known as the newborn. Next, when is the infancy? Infancy is nothing but the first year. Next is the toddler. The toddler is up to 3 years. That is, to be clear, it is 1 to 3 years of age. Then preschool is about 3 to 6 years. School age is about 6 to 12 years. So preschool is 3 to 6 years. Next, we move on to the adolescent. This is also good to know. So in terms of adolescent, there is again the early, middle as well as late. So early is going to be 10 to 13 years. Middle is going to be 14 to 16 years. And late will be 17 to 19 years.